Okay, so good day guys, Drone PH again. So we are here again for the RC firmware update. So we have the update guys with the remote controller, okay, the RCN1, the version 04.11.0400, okay. So we will try to update and we will try outside about the range if they improve or not. So if you update the remote controller and drone guys, it's always on, okay. So it's blinking, the RCN1 new firmware update. %. Okay, so it's done guys about the updated our remote controller. So we will try outside, okay, about the range. So let's go guys and check. It's updated now. My Mini 2 RC. So let's go guys outside. Okay, so we are here outside guys, near at the house. So this is my remote controller. Okay, so I'm using the iPhone with this range. So we'll try in this area. The weather is not good for today. So this is my Mini 2 guys. We will check the range. So let's go and set. Okay, so we are already set up, calibrate, and we'll start the range here, okay? So let's go guys and check this new firmware, okay? Let's go. Okay, so before we go far, I just want to show our new firmware, okay? The 4.11.400, okay? With the RC firmware. So let's gonna go guys. Let's do it.
Max altitude reached.
Okay, so weak signal guys with 2,900 meters with the new firmware with the RCN1. So you decide if this is good or not, okay? But for me is no, okay?
Battery
Weak signal
level is
again.
low.
So we return to home guys.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10
Okay,
seconds.
so in my last range test, I reached around 3,000 kilometers, okay,
Return to
without
home.
RC disconnected. So, I don't know what happened with the update again with this RCN1. So, it's up to you guys if you update the new firmware. I'm just trying to help you guys. So, till next time again guys, and we will return to home. Okay, so maybe next time we will try again at the bridge to confirm this RCN1 firmware update, okay? So let's go to home guys. Okay, so this is now our drone guys. It's returned to home in a good way. So that's only my quick test with this new firmware update with this RCN1 remote controller, okay, with the Mini 2. So hope help you a little bit. So it's your choice guys if you update or not, okay? Till next time, thank you and good day to all. See you. Bye bye.